Counting the past. Before we can discover what happened in history, we must know when things happened. We must learn how to count the past. We measure most things from where they start or from zero. For example, you count your age from the year when you were born. Imagine you were born in 1970. In 1995, you will be 25 years old. But we cannot count like this in history. We do not know when the world began. No one could write until about 6,000 years ago. But we must have a date that we can call year 1. Then we can count from there. People in different countries use different dates for their year 1. Often, people measure from a date which is important in their religion.